I'm just here. Come and cook with me. I'm just here. Come and cook with me. I'm just here. We're gonna do a really quick grits recipe using the 5-minute quick grits. And in here, I'm following the recipe for 1 to 2 servings. And I have 1 cup of water, and I also have that chicken bouillon. That's my little secret in there, you guys. You only need a teaspoon. So I'm gonna also add some butter in there. And since it's boiling, I have 1 cup of water. Then I'm gonna do 1/4 cup of quick grits. And you just want to whisk those in. You want to whisk, 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 whisk those grits. And I have some milk. I'm using whole milk. You don't need a lot. Depends on how creamy you want your grits. I usually just put a little splash of milk in mine, or you can use heavy cream. And you're just going to whisk some more. Don't nobody want no lumpy grits. And then you're going to turn your heat down. And you're going to want to cover your pot with the lid. And then I'm going back in, just stirring them up. You want to go in and stir them up. You guys got to really try this recipe with that chicken bouillon in there. It is so freaking good. You can also do the same recipe with turkey stock. Oh my gosh. Turkey stock or chicken. And at this point, you can put, if you want to put cheese in there, you can go ahead and add your cheeses in. This recipe also is good with smoked Gouda cheese. Very, very tasty. I didn't have any on hand. I didn't want any cheese in here. And I'm showing you the thickness of my grits. I don't like them to run all over my plate. I like them semi-creamy. So that's just the consistency that I like for my grits. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick recipe. It's your girl Just T, you guys. I'm out. I hope you all stay forever blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Stay forever blessed.